Are you using Perplexity AI for deep research, but struggling to save those valuable insights into your personal knowledge base? Let me show you the ultimate bridge between Perplexity and Obsidian. Here I've generated a highly detailed SOP document, complete with tables, code blocks, and specific formatting. With our browser extension, saving this entire thread is just a click away. Simply open the extension and select Export Current Thread. It works instantly in the background. And boom, just like that, it's inside Obsidian. Notice how perfectly all the Markdown formatting is preserved. Your tables, nested bullet points, and code blocks look exactly as they did. It even automatically adds YAML frontmatter with the original source link, date, and the AI model used. But what if you have a massive thread and only want to save specific parts? No problem. The custom export preview lets you cherry-pick exactly which prompts and responses you want to keep. Just select the items you need and export a clean, tailored Markdown file. Need to back up your research? The extension features a powerful batch export dashboard. You can view your thread list, select multiple chats, and export them all at once. Plus, the built-in export history ensures you never lose track of what you've already saved. For the power users, the configuration options are incredible. Customize your save paths, set dynamic file name patterns, organize files by perplexity spaces, and even automatically download attachments. It's built to fit your exact workflow. Stop copy-pasting and start building your second brain effortlessly. Try the extension today and streamline your AI research workflow.